You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce the name of these hotel and castle? Let's say in Hollywood, in Los Angeles, West Hollywood. So it's a name that looks and sound very French, doesn't it? So let's have a listen to the French pronunciation. Chateau Marmont. Marmont, yes, the T is silent at the end because it's French indeed. And in English it's rather said similarly as Chateau Marmont. Marmont. Chateau Marmont. Marmont. Yeah, I know, it's a bit tricky. Chateau Marmont or Chateau Marmont. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.